Welcome to the How to Beach channel. This is a place where we show you how to beach like a local. We do gear reviews, show you beach tips and hacks, and show you out of the way places that only the locals know about. So if these topics sound interesting to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the little bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. And if that's too much commitment, could you just at least smash that like button down there to show me that it was worth it to make the video, and then I'll keep making more. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 things you really need to take to the beach. These are 5 things you didn't even know that you need, that you will wonder how you ever lived without. So let's get into the video right now. We just finished filming the eccosophy sand-free blanket and microfiber towel review. And I brought a bottle of wine for some pictures. So now we have to drink the wine and eat the olives. And she made some sort of mushrooms with a vinaigrette. We have cheese and turkey here. So I thought I'd show you the essentials that you need to bring to the beach with you. I've got my backpack cooler. So we throw our snacks and our beverages in there. And then the Trekology folding camp table. Without this Trekology table, none of these snacks would be possible. They would be in the dirt. So you've got to bring your sand-free blanket, you've got to bring your microfiber towel, you've got to bring your backpack cooler, and even at this beach where chairs are provided and we don't have to bring chairs, we still bring the Trekology table so that we have all of our snacks. We also have the stainless steel wine glasses, because who wants to drink wine out of a plastic cup when you're at the beach? So this is our beach setup. And I'll link to the rest of these things in the description down below, so when you go to the beach, you can do it in style, like us. Pro tip, hook a bottle opener onto your icemule cooler so that you never get to the beach with bottles, which we don't take bottles to the beach a lot, but if you go other places, you're never like, dang, I forgot a bottle opener. That's a pro tip for you. Please subscribe.